Sa isang mundong puno ng sekreto, may lugar pa ba ang pagiging totoo? Sa tanong na yan, iikot ang kwento ni Mikoy at Kiara sa kapatid seryeng A Secret in Prague. Sa inilabas na trailer kahapon, si Mikoy, played by Enrique Hill, kinidnap.
Hey man, go and ask him.
What is your relationship with my daughter?
Pero teka, it's a prank.
Lies.
What the hell are you doing in Tagalog? Anong ginagawa mo?
Nothing.
Huh?
I was just joking. I was just about to release him.
Si Mikoy, makikilala sa Prague ni Kiara played by Andrea Brillantes hanggang sa magkaka-something sila.
Prague is a beautiful city. If you get to know her more, you'll definitely fall in love with her.
Etong matindi, hindi lang to kilig-kilig story, may halo rin kasing aksyon.
Get ready, Special Agent Shano. Time to bring Mikoy in.
Excited na nga mga kapatid natin. Ang ilan nga, napa-hashtag Enrique pa sa bagong tambalan. Isa itong action-packed love story. Pagbibidahan ng ultimate leading man at kapatid, Enrique Hill at Gen Z Queen Andrea Brillantes. Mapapanood na ang A Secret in Prague simula April 27, 8 p.m. pagkatapos ng Frontline Pilipinas.